Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. First, bring in the image you want to apply this effect to. On Mac, press Command and E, and on Windows, press Control and E to merge your image with the background layer. Right-click on the merged layer and convert it to a smart object. Next, add a black and white adjustment layer to make the image monochrome. Now go to the Filter menu, choose Pixelate, and then select Color Halftone. For the size, I set it to about 42, but you can adjust this value to your liking. Set all the other channel values to 0. Now you can see the halftone dot pattern applied to your image. Next, we will add the melting effect. Go to the Filter menu, choose Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 5 to 10 pixels. You can fine-tune this based on your preference. With the same layer selected, press Command and L on Mac or Control and L on Windows to open the levels adjustment. Move the sliders on both ends inward to create a melted and connected look. Adjust the amount of this effect to suit your taste. Now let's add color and texture. Click the circular icon at the bottom right of the Layers panel and choose Gradient Map. You can download beautiful and free gradients from a site called Resource Boy. The link is in the description. After applying a gradient you like, select all these layers, merge them, and convert them to a smart object again. Next, let's add texture. If you have your own texture file, you can place it on top. If not, go to the Filter menu, open Filter Gallery, and choose Texturizer. Select the texture style you like. In this example, I chose sandstone. Adjust the settings to get the desired texture, and the effect is complete. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you